Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do abstract nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your nails peach. Now, you're going to do a diagonal line with red polish. Instagram is in the description below. Now, you're going to make a small pink triangle. Now you're going to make a small red triangle. Now you're going to take the pink polish and do diagonal. Outline the pink triangle with glitter and then do a diagonal line with the glitter between the red and the pink. Now I'm going to do the rest of the nails off screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.